Today, Government is announcing 95 million under the Disruptive Technology Fund. This fund will be spent over the next 3 years, and I want to congratulate the 29 groundbreaking projects who have been successful. These projects are throughout all over Ireland, and they're a collaboration of academia, multinationals and SMEs. These projects cover areas such as life sciences, artificial intelligence, manufacturing and environmental sustainability. They're across all of the regions of Ireland, and they're a collaboration of industry working with academia, working with SMEs, working with multinationals on how we can use new technologies to embrace the challenges of today. These 29 projects, they're groundbreaking, and they will make a difference in the regions that they're in, but they'll also make a difference in terms of how we embrace new technology.